And now, my dear friends, I'll tell you survival recipe that belonged to my grandmother, Yentl. She called it Lahaim Sticks. And the printable copy of this recipe you will find below this video. When I was 4 or 5, she called me into her kitchen one day and said, Lily, could you please help me to make Lahaim sticks? What it was something to do with meat. I remember helping her to mince meat and mix some spices in it and so on. And then we formed that meat into rolls. And from my memory, she put everything into her oven and baked it for a long, long time. While it was baking, she was telling me about her memories as a child, as an adult, as now like grandma, about how our family survived on those Lahaim sticks during wars, Russian Revolution, pogroms, and hardships that were brought to people during communist era. In any case, when the sticks were ready, she let them cool down, and we wrapped them into parchment paper and twisted the ends and took it to her basement, where she normally kept pickles, yummy homemade jams, and root vegetables. Anyway, there she lowered from the ceiling cotton sack, about this small sack, and took out of it old sticks and placed the new ones in and suspended it back to the ceiling. So the old sticks, they smelled delicious. They smelled like something meaty, like nice Italian salami, sort of. Well, I was curious to try, so Grandma cut a half-finger long piece of that stick and gave it to me and said, don't bite into it, it's very hard. What you need to do is to suck on it until it will all dissolve in your mouth. And she said that that portion would be enough for an adult to survive one day without any other food. I suspect that this recipe had been in our family for many, many, many generations. And I hope that you will never have to use it, but it's wise to have, especially the old sticks can be used in casseroles, soups, pies, and other delicious meals that you cook. My grandma also suggested that as a tradition, she always changed the old sticks to new ones on every first day of season, every first day of summer, winter, spring, and autumn. And that is the recipe to survival that helped my ancestors to live through many hardships.